Hey guys, welcome to the workshop. Today's video is going to be a little different. I was approached by a company called Deko tools and they wanted me to give them my opinion on their 168 piece DIY woodworkers toolkit. So stick around. So this toolkit it's quite neat, as opposed to many of these really cheap toolkits you get. The tools are generally very low quality tools, and they don't generally come in a case such as this. This case is very sturdy. It's built tough. It doesn't move a lot when you push on it. It's got a good sturdy handle, good sturdy hinges. But that's not really what we're all about. Now these tools are very affordable for all families and homeowners. And with the quality and the value that these easy-to-use tools have, every DIYer, beginner, whether you're a hobbyist or even maybe semi-professional, can make a project right away. So let's jump right into this thing and look at some of the main tools of this box that I want to put through some tests. This kit is a 168-piece kit. Well, including these. So these each count as a piece. So it's a little less than what you might think. But as far as tools, it's got some tools that you just don't generally see. So, for instance, to me, this little hacksaw, it's extremely light. The handle is hollow, but this stuff here seems pretty solid right off the bat. Now, all these tools such as this, I'd say anything chrome, all of that is cast. I can kind of see that it's that cast chromium steel, a lot of people call it. And we'll see how it holds up, but this comes with blade already in it, but there is actually a little compartment under here, and they give you extra blades. There are 2 more blades. They even give you a little bit of zip ties down there for your little things at home. We've got yourself some good needle nose. These come in very handy doing electrical work. Pliers, adjustable. A small adjustable. This actually is a really good length because if you work underneath your sink or something, you may be able to reach a fitting with this as opposed to a larger one. Same thing with your channel locks. You do get a nice razor blade. Be careful with it. It is extremely sharp. They only have 1 blade in this, but these are the break off ones, so as soon as the tip gets dull, you snap off the end. You got yourself some Allen wrenches. Then you've got your drill socket, and they do give you a bunch of bits up here to put in it. Along the lines of electrical, since we've mentioned you've got zip ties, you've got these, you've got some wire strippers. These wire strippers are really very good quality. These are complete rubber handles. They're not plastic, and the spring is actually quite strong. I've got a pair of these that I bought from Lowe's. These seem very comparable to the Lowe's brand, but along with electrical, you also get some electrical tape. So pretty handy to have and a little spot for it. But let's look at the top. Continuing on in the DIY realm, you've got anchors for if you're putting a picture on the wall. You've got your level for that. One of the biggest things with woodworkers are clamps. And these aren't clamps that you're going to put a cabinet together, but if you're trying to put something quick on, or if you're trying to clamp something really small, you can use these. There's 4 of them in there. We've got ourselves a ratchet. This ratchet seems to be made just like any other ratchet, and this is a solid plastic handle. It's not rubber like the handle on the wire strippers. It's a solid plastic. You got some screwdrivers. These screwdrivers seem to be pretty inexpensive, just like anything you'd buy at Lowe's or Home Depot, but it's basically what you would expect in a kit like this. They do have a slip resistant tip to them, and you can tell a feel of a difference there, so they probably do work. Can't go wrong with the tape measure. This was a surprise to see. Stubby screwdrivers. Normally you've got to buy these special. This is very surprising to see in here. In a homeowner setting, this might be a really good thing to have because, like, once again, you may not be able to fit a full-length screwdriver in a place you're trying to get to, so you have this on hand. So overall, coming in at $80, this is a really good value for its money. I don't think this is something that you're a professional you're going to want to have, but as a homeowner, and if you are doing electrical, minor plumbing, anything small in your house and you just need something quick that you can grab and go and do something in your house, this is really handy. So now that we've kind of reviewed a little bit of the products, I want to go into maybe more specific on different things. So we're going to actually reach and we're going to put the tests the hacksaw, some of the wrenches, sockets, and see how they hold up. So the first thing I'm going to review right out of this box without doing anything to it is the little hacksaw. On the pictures online, they show a man cutting a piece of 2x4. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I want to see how it works. Okay, we're just going to stop there. Okay, that's almost embarrassing. If you're a woodworker and you're going to do woodworking, you're not going to use something like this. You're going to actually use something more like an actual saw, either a carpenter's saw or one of the Japanese pull saws, which are still very inexpensive to buy. So let's move on to one of the wrenches and the socket set and just kind of see how that works. Alright, I've got this set up here. I've got a piece of poplar and I've already started a hole here. And I've got this lag bolt that we're going to put into the board. I'm going to actually use the socket set first. So we'll put that in. Uh-oh. Okay, it looks like we need an adapter for this. Oh, hey, there we are. We do have an adapter in this box. Going to have to use the needle nose to get it out because it's really nice and tight in there. Let's give this a shot. Alright, I'm going to crank it in there really nice. Try to strip it out too. Just work this thing hard. That's about all we're going. Well, it definitely stays in your hand. But that's just got lots of play in it. I mean, I don't know. Well, a lot of play. But once again, this will do its job. Okay guys, I think we've made the point. These tools are definitely good for a DIYer, beginner, and just your general very minor maintenance at your house. If you're trying to do professional level tool things, such as trying to build something real big, this is not going to be the toolkit you want to go for. But overall, I think it's a decent thing to have in your house, just to have at the ready whenever you need it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of anything that you might like to see in the future, of any different brands of tools and anything that you might like to see my take and my opinion on. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time right here in the workshop.